So here's how to turn narration on or off in FC24. So from the main home screen, just scroll all the way up. Once you get to the top, just scroll left, and that will enable you to access these two icons here, the settings wheel icon and the accessibility icon. So select accessibility. That should take you straight into the accessibility settings in game settings. Or you can scroll using the R1 and L1 buttons to make sure you get to accessibility, and then under accessibility scroll down and find narration, and you can choose to turn that on or off using the direction buttons on your controller. So you can choose to turn it on, and you should be able to hear narration as you scroll through the menus of FC24, or you can turn it off by using the direction buttons on your controller. Once you select what you want, just press the back button and your setting will now be saved. It's literally as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.